Hi guys, today I've got a surprise. I got it from eBay. I've got a doll and I'm going to open it with you. So first let me open the box. So now I opened it and I'm really happy. So I'm gonna see how is he. Let's see. There's a lot of paper up here. Stop those papers. And we've got the doll. He's got it in this little blanket. It's blue, so let's put this in aside. So let's see. See his feet first. He is here. Here he is. He's nice, and I was from eBay. He wasn't a lot. He's the cicciobello. It's the cicciobello Fiocco di Neve, and he's not in the box because I bought him new, but the box was more like big, and it couldn't ship it to Malta. So he looks really cute from the face. He looks nice, and he has this little like cap, hat, and this. I really like it, and I really like this bunny and the boy here. He's got the hand and he's got this one. Maybe he can put it in his mouth. Yes, he's like this. And if you want, you can put his head on to be more nice. Put this under here.
Oh, Shasha.
I really like him, and now I'm really happy with it because I really wanted him and my wish came true. So bye guys, and see you, and hope you subscribe this video.